Hello YouTube. Today I'm gonna analyze the chart ears and try to make a prediction about what it's gonna do. And I'm analyzing this chart based on its 7-day chart, so it's how it's been trading for the past 7 days during 15-minute intervals. Alright, so as you can see, there was a big sell-off in the beginning of this chart, and if I look here, there is a strong support at about 0.6. So I'm gonna go ahead and draw a support line here at 0.6 so we can keep track of what's going on. So I'm going to make it blue because our support lines are blue, and I'm going to extend it left. There we go, our new support. Okay, so after that it built it. Let me zoom in here. Yeah, so after that it went up a lot. So it bounced off 0.57, hit a high of 0.91, and on average the resistance was around here, I would say at 0.78. So let's go ahead and make a resistance line. It's going to be red because it's a resistance line, and this is going to be at 0.78. Okay, so now we have our support and resistance. And another thing to note about this is the RSI. So if you look at the RSI right now, like let's say you bought in this area here, the RSI is extremely high. RSI is an indicator if a stock is overbought or oversold. So if the RSI goes above 70, this is the 70 mark. If it goes above it, that means the stock is overbought and there's going to be a big sell-off coming usually. And if the RSI is under 30, that means it's oversold, so that's probably a good buy because the stock's probably selling fairly cheap. You don't only want to rely on RSI, you want to have other indicators too, because sometimes the RSI isn't 100%. Something to note, whenever there's a spike in volume is when the stock price for ears goes up a lot. So over here you can see the stock's normally trading really low. And on this day, where it jumped from 0.65 to 0.91, it received about 500,000. The volume is about 500,000, so 500,000, more than 500,000 volume is a good sign the stock's going to go up a lot. So yeah, we have the RSI, we have the volume, we have our support and resistance lines. Let's keep going forward. So if you notice here again, when there's another spike, it was because there's a large volume spike. This time it went over 1 million. So volume spikes of over 500,000 to over 1 million usually get indicators that this is gonna shoot up a lot. Okay, so let's zoom back out. Yeah, so the stock continued to drop, and if you notice over here in this range, the stock actually hit RSI under 30. Now when the RSI goes under 30, it means the stock's oversold, and it's probably a good buying point. So at this point the stock was around 0.58, 0.57, so this is probably a good range to buy the stock in because the stock's showing signs that it's oversold. And then for the past 3 trading days it's kind of stayed in that range. So the reason why I have 2 alerts here on if the price is under 57 and over 65 is because if the price drops under 57, that means that we're going to break our new area of support that we found here. I'm going to keep this support line here and actually add a new support line at 0.57. Blue for support, and then I'm going to extend this left. Okay, so now we have 2 areas of support, and you can see it's under our top one. The price is currently under our top support and bouncing off the bottom. So yeah, last time the stock hit this area of support, it bounced up to 0.8 plus. So I'm expecting a similar reaction, maybe not as strong. It depends on, like I said, it depends on the RSI, that value that we get. It depends on the volume that we see. If the volume goes over 1 million, or even over 2 million, that'll be a very strong bounce and probably bring us to 0.8. If it's something smaller, we might get to 0.7, but it'll definitely bounce off this area. I don't think it's going to drop lower than this. So yeah, that's my analysis for ears. Thanks for watching today's video. Be sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you want to see anything specific, and I'll try to get it up as soon as I can. Bye.